So I'm gonna get some quick TA right quick. Looking at UCAD, I'm thinking UCAD's going to actually break this 200 and form an ugly little W up to this resistance zone up here. 1 second, let me draw it up for you. So I'm thinking UCAD's probably about to head up here to this resistance. My wife actually thinks it might shoot down, which it could happen because, you know, the market makers tend to do what they want, but there is a bunch of news that's supposed to happen tomorrow and the next day. So there's a lot of U.S. news that's going to hit, which you need to keep in mind when you're trading to see if the U.S. is going to continue to stay strong or weak. But I'm honestly thinking this is going to shoot up to this resistance zone up here before it retests back down. That's on UCAD. Looking at H4 as well. I'm sorry, it's H1. We'll go to H4. Looking at H4 as well. Right here where that zone is at. So you got this is a real zone, and then you also have this one as well. But that's where I think it's headed on UCAD. Let's go to UJ. And notice I'm doing the US pairs first. Let's see how strong the US is. So it looks like UJ's actually been shooting down, which probably why EU and GU's been going up. Okay, so once these start going up, you can see those other pairs start to head down. So that's something to keep in mind when y'all trading this week. So UJ might be headed down for this support zone here. Let's go look at on a daily. So yeah, definitely look like that's a strong support zone, support area. Okay, be on the lookout for that. Let's look at EU. EU, it looks like it's struggling and it's stuck in this channel. It looks like it's trying to come up here and touch this 20 or break this 20. It might wick out at the 20 and shoot down, or it might actually break the 20 on the daily and shoot up to doo-doo brown. But that's here nor there. One thing I will say, a fear of mine is it might continue to go up after it touches this 9, because this right here isn't really a strong candle. Granted, it is 5:45 in the afternoon time, so it might actually get a little bit of a push down to the 9, but I wouldn't say a lot. I would say roughly about 5 pips, and then it'll probably shoot up to the resistance zone and then maybe come back down. But the RSI looks like an ugly M is forming, so keep that in mind too on the H4. Okay, that's just something to keep in mind. Something else I was looking at is looking at the smaller time frames on M5. Okay, bounced off this 200 and shot up, so it might shoot up off this 200 on the M5 and then M15 as well. Okay, let's go to GJ. Did I do GJ already? So GJ is another one I've been looking at. So GJ, let's go and look at it actually on the H4. So I'm actually thinking this is going to touch this 200 and then shoot down. Look like a big M is trying to form here, which I can be completely wrong, y'all. I can be completely wrong. The GBP pairs could continue to go up, okay? But that's just my overall TA because the 200 EMA is right here. And I haven't been above the 200 EMA in quite some time, as you guys can tell. Let's do one more. Let's do gold, okay? Gold is look like it's stuck in a channel. I honestly would not even trade it. I don't see any sense of direction. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, I mean, my overall projection would be gold would just continue to go down and come back down to the support zone here. Okay. But other than that, that's my TA for the week. And I'm pretty sure I did all the pairs. Did I do GU? I didn't do GU, did I? Well, I'm going to do GU. So GU, looking at GU. GU looks like it's going to probably continue up. It's breaking up all these EMAs, okay? Now, this could be doing like it did over here on the left, because it normally happens on the left, happens to the right. This could continue down like it did on the left here and come back down to this 200, okay? And maybe blow past it, but it's all going to depend on the U.S. news, okay? Let's look at the H4, okay? So H4 is above the 200. So this might retrace down to the 200, but these EMAs is going up. So this might retrace back down just to come back up. So this is like a really good buy opportunity once it actually makes this move. But again, RSI looks like an M is trying to form on the H4. So keep that in mind as well. But anyways, that's my TA for the week. on the currency pairs that I'm looking at, are the ones that people's been asking about. Other than that, we'll see y'all in the group. Peace.